What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to pause location on Life360 without anyone knowing. So you might be looking for a way to pause your location here in Life360 without anyone knowing. Well, there is a way for you to do this, but this one is kind of tricky. Now you can actually do this via a specific app here. Now, you could actually use fake GPS. You could actually download this via the App Store here. You just need to type in fake GPS. And once you've searched for it, you could go and just click on it and install this. Now, once you've installed this, what we need to do is we want to set our settings so that in this case, fake GPS will be used for our account or our phone here. So you want to go and open up settings here, and you want to go ahead and go to your about phone first, and you want to go and just tap on your OS version here until it says that you are now a developer. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and go to your search here, just type in location. And you should see a bunch of settings here that you could actually view or use. By the way, it might take a while for it to load up, but to be speaking, as you can see, it's going to open up. Now, what you're looking for is going to be the select mock location app. You can go and just click on it. Now, by the way, if you don't see that yet in here, well, I would recommend you to go ahead and go to the section for additional settings. And you want to go ahead and go to the very bottom here. Look for the developer options here, and you want to make sure that you turn this on. So if you don't turn that on, this will not work. But then again, I would like, it's going to be a lot easier if you just search for location here and open up the select mock location app here. And what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on it, and you want to make sure that fake GPS is actually selected. But once you've done that, you want to go exit this one. And what I would highly recommend you try doing here first is you want to go ahead and open up fake GPS. Then in this case, you want to go and just move this around the point where you want to be at that specific location. Like for example, this one, click on play, and it's going to start changing your location here. So when you open up Life360 here, it will not show you in that, or the app will show you that you're currently in that location. So yeah, when you open up Life360 here, it's now going to show you in that specific location where you've set it up. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.